Apple's HomePad was set to rule your smart home in 2025, but it's delayed. Siri-powered lights, locks, and more are stuck in limbo. Will Samsung's AR glasses beat it to the punch? Let's unpack this twist. Hey Tech fam! Apple's iPad-like smartphone hub, the HomePad, was hyped to drop early 2025, but now it's trending for all the wrong reasons. A delay to mid-year. US smart home fans are buzzing and sweating over what this means. Today, we're diving into the delay, the dream, and the competition. So let's go. Now, what's the HomePad? Picture a 6-inch wall-mounted tablet, codenamed J490, running Home OS with a camera, speakers, and Siri on steroids. It's built to boss your lights, locks, thermostats, HomeKit, and Matter gear via voice and touch. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman pegged it for March, but this week he says it's slipping to June or later. Why? Siri's AI glow-up. Think personal context, app control isn't ready. Apple's testing it with employees, but it's not polished yet. X posts are split. Can't wait versus Siri's still dumb. Originally tied to iOS 18.4, it's now syncing with iOS 19, maybe WWDC 2025. At $200 to $300, it's a Nest Hub killer if it nails it. Here's the twist. Samsung's AR glasses might crash the party. Rumored for mid-2025, they're pitching immersive smart home control. Think holograms of your locks and lights. X-Buzz says Samsung's got flair and Apple's just late. HomePad's privacy edge and ecosystem hook, FaceTime, HomePods could flex hard, but Samsung's AR could dazzle casuals. Apple's delay gives rivals breathing room. Will it cost them the US smart home crown?